Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Started now, children. Last period.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Not
ma'am.
acquainted with this system nowadays. What to be done? This is the only way to study.
Yes, ma'am.
If you all have joined, let me just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'll call your names. After that, we'll go to study new theorem today.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you all gone through the videos of different theorems which already have uploaded in the site?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not showing 100% for everybody. Very few are going through it. Only 1 or 2 children have seen.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
hello, ma'am. Hello.
Tell me.
Ma'am, when I see any videos in app, there is a tick mark inside. There is a after seeing there is a green tick mark, but it is not showing the percentage.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine
it
also.
won't happen. So
Same here, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine also.
Yes, ma'am. Mine also.
who is showing this DP? Only your video should be on. Nothing else. Okay, let me call your names now. Ahana Mante,
Present, ma'am.
Aditi Nayak, Adya Mante,
Present, ma'am.
Ahana Patnaik,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna Jena, Kirabdi,
Present, ma'am.
Namrata,
Present, ma'am.
Nirali,
Present, ma'am.
Purvasa,
Present, ma'am.
Ritika,
Present, ma'am.
Samidha. Samidha, are you there? Samiksha,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Rekha,
Present, ma'am.
Shipra,
Present, ma'am.
Smriti Panna,
Present, ma'am.
Sritika, Ritika Mishra, are you there? No. Shuchi Lagna,
Present, ma'am.
Swarupa, Akanksha Adi,
Present, ma'am.
Adarsh, Aditya Narayan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Amrit Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav, you are absent yesterday.
No, ma'am.
It was marked absent for you. I asked twice, thrice. You didn't respond. Okay. Abhijit. Abhijit, are you there? Abhiram.
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Das.
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Diptanshu Parida.
Present, ma'am.
Dipyanshu.
Present, ma'am.
Hilit,
Present, ma'am.
Arpit, Arpit, Manas,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil,
Present, ma'am.
Nishit, Om Prakash,
Present, ma'am.
Parthasarathi,
Present.
Piyush,
Present, ma'am.
Prabhudatta,
Present, ma'am.
Pratik, Pratyanshu, Pratyush,
Present, ma'am.
Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Pulin,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Kamal. Sai Kamal, are you there? Shamir,
Present, ma'am.
Shravan,
Present, ma'am.
Shubham,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Das,
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Shom Mohanty,
Present, ma'am.
Shoptik Mathan,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya Rashan,
Present, ma'am.
Shubham, Kuntia,
Present, ma'am.
Surya Prakash,
Present, ma'am.
Tapan Pati,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Dhanraj,
Present, ma'am.
Section B, Vijay Darshini,
Present, ma'am.
Arvi, Ipshita,
Present, ma'am.
Ishika,
Present, ma'am.
Madhusmita,
Present, ma'am.
Malishka,
Present, ma'am.
Mugdasri.
Present, ma'am.
You are absent yesterday, Mugdasri. Mugdasri, were you absent yesterday?
Ma'am, due to some net problem.
No, it's not audible to me. Speak properly.
Ma'am, due to some network problem.
Okay. Pragya,
Present, ma'am.
Preeti,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Naik A,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Naik B. Priyanka Naik B was absent yesterday also, today also. Priyansi Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Priyansi Pradhan,
Present, ma'am.
Sankalpa,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Smita,
Present, ma'am.
Shraddha BC,
Present, ma'am.
Shriya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Amar Chauhan,
Present, ma'am.
Aniket Sahu.
I'm taking TC.
Oh, yesterday you told me again, I forgot anyhow. Vyamakesh,
Present, ma'am.
Chinmay, Dhananjay, Jyotiraditya,
Present, ma'am.
Lipun, Mohak,
Present, ma'am.
Laban, Priyansu Raut,
Present, ma'am.
Ryan Sir,
Present, ma'am.
Sai Vignesh,
Present, ma'am.
Satvik Sri, Satyajit Mahanta. Satyajit Palta Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Satyarth Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Shomnath Sahu.
Present, ma'am.
Spandan Das. Shubhranshu Puri.
Present, ma'am.
Shubhranshu Murmu.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Panda.
Present, ma'am.
Swastik Mohanty.
Present, ma'am.
Swayambhuva Padi.
Present, ma'am.
Tushar Lakra.
Present, ma'am.
So in section A and B, we have total 96. I can see 82 are present right now. Means 16 are absent. 81 it is now. Somebody left, it seems. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm Samidha Mishra and I'm present, ma'am, from section A.
Section A, Samidha.
Ma'am, Shrupa also present.
Ma'am, from sec.
1 second. 1
Ma'am,
minute.
Nishit Ranjan Das from section.
Listen me. What I want to tell you, listen me. Now I have already called once. First of all, we'll study whatever to complete today. At the end, those who have marked absent, again I'll call you, okay?
Okay.
You give me your attendance at the end. Am I clear to you, Chalan? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So up to 8.7
Yes, ma'am.
theorems on quadrilaterals. Any doubt from anybody?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Then
No,
we'll
ma'am.
move to 8.8.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look to the board. What the theorem says, 8.8, a quadrilateral is a parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel. This is the statement of the theorem which I have already noted down for the previous class of C and F. Still, if you want
Ma'am,
any
it is
extra,
not
I will
audible.
write and show you.
Ma'am, it is not visible.
It's not visible. Now,
Ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is
visible.
clearly visible.
maybe your network problem, those who cannot see that, just have a good high-speed network with you. Okay. Now see, when we go to prove a theorem, first of all, we have to note down the statement of the theorem which already I have read. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram, means is it given to you or to be proved? Who understand what? Just give me a feedback.
Ma'am, it is given to us.
Ma'am, it is given to us.
No.
Given.
Ma'am, it is given to
Not
us.
given to you. It is to be proved. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram. This is to be proved. Why? You see, there is a condition given. If a pair of, in a parallel quadrilateral, how many pair of sides we have? Opposite? 2 pairs we have. Yes. Out of the 2 pairs, what we have? A pair of opposite sides equal and parallel. Understand? This is after if is given to you. Basing on that, you have to prove it. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First of all,
Yes,
conclude
ma'am.
from the given statement what is given, what is to be proved. Very, very important. If you cannot conclude from the given statement what is given, then you will just do the opposite and you will be awarded 0. So that is very important. Am I clear enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After you have
Yes, ma'am.
what is given, what to prove, we have to draw the figure, name it, and along with the names given, the concrete data are given to be noted down. Look now, here I have just drawn a quadrilateral. It's not a parallelogram when I have drawn. It is just a quadrilateral, okay? And I have named it A, B, C, D. I hope this is clearly visible to you. Yes? A, B, C, D. And I have taken a, we can take any one opposite pair. Maybe AB equal to CD or AD equal to BC. Any one opposite pair we have to take. So I have taken here AB is equal to BC. So I have marked also they are equal. I have marked also they are parallel to each other. Look here I have marked they are equal. I have marked also they are parallel. Is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I have noted down ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is the first part. Yes? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
A quadrilateral given to you or not? That is what I have written. ABCD is a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is the first part. That I have noted down. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Then if means that is given to you. A pair of opposite sides I have written AB is equal to CD. They are equal also. They are at the same time parallel also. So I have noted down AB is equal to CD, comma AB is also parallel to CD. Any doubt up to this much?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Then what to prove? Proof is these are the states to be noted down. Your statement, then what is given after drawing the figure, then what to prove. After you have written what to prove, you have to say what you have to do to prove this. What way will you move forward? Why to decide it? Because to prove that you have to decide whether you are going to do some construction or not. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not able to decide what you are going to prove, what way you have to proceed. You cannot decide whether some construction to be done or not. Here, if I want to prove ABCD, the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. I have to go to the properties of the parallelogram. What are the properties? The properties are opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. Right? Out of this, given to us is one pair. Now what I have to do? Like the previous theorems we have proved, we have to develop two triangles. To get two triangles, we have to join to the two vertices, opposite vertices, so that we get a diagonal. And that diagonal is going to divide your quadrilateral into two triangles. What will happen if you will get two triangles? They have to be proved to be what? No answer.
Congruent.
Congruent. If they are congruent, then we can show one part. What is that one part? Opposite sides are equal. Because what you have taken, they are equal. The other pair to be proven that they are equal as well as parallel. For that, I have taken here this AC diagonal. Hence, I have noted down construction join AC. That's all. Nothing more than this. Here, then start the proof. This is the first is your statement. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you start the proof. You will take triangle ABC. If you take ABC, which is the other triangle, when you see the figure, you know this is your triangle. But while naming, it should be in the proper order. What order to be followed? The reference points A referred to, C, B referred to D. AB is equal to CD we have written. We have written here A, B equal to CD. So A referred to C, B referred to D. Am I clear enough? Now, I have written in triangle ABC and triangle CDA. Can I write this CDA in any way I like?
Ma'am,
Can I
can you
write
repeat?
this triangle, I have written the first triangle to be ABC. Can I write the second triangle in any sequence I like?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
If you will write, what will happen? By chance you made a mistake. You wrote you did not know and you have written wrong. What will happen? Half up to this much your steps are correct, you will get half of the mark. Rest steps are wrong, you will get only half mark out of the full. Is that clear? So be very cautious
Yes,
to
ma'am.
use the proper sequence when you are going to prove the congruency. Understood?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
you have taken these two triangles. Before you go to start writing, decide now. What are you going to decide from the given? What you will accept? Which criteria to set here to prove to be congruent? And then you will note it down. Look, here we took AB is equal to CD. In these two triangles I am comparing. Okay. AB is equal to CD and AC is equal to CA according to the triangles. Why? By construction. Why AB equal to CD? Given. Then we need the third criteria. Either the left out AD equal to BC, which is not known to us. So we cannot take it. Forget that. Then coming to the third criteria to be the included angle. What is your included angle? 1. I have marked here 1 and 2. Is it visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We need this 1 and 2 to be equal. Can we prove it? That you have to decide before you start writing. Understood? How will you get? Look now this Z. Formation of this Z.
Alternate
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate interior.
angles.
Alternate interior angle.
We have been given AB is parallel to CD and AC is the transversal, hence 1 is equal to 2. So the included angle of the two equal sides match with each other. We can decide now they are congruent. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now start noting down. AB equal to CD. Why? Write the reason given. Next, AC equal to AC. Why? By construction.
Common.
Yes, common. But though that is common, we got it by construction. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
left
ma'am.
out with 1 and 2. They are equal. Why equal? That reason
Alternate
Because-
interior.
alternate angles. This is given to us. We have taken, you noted down here. They are parallel and this is transversal. So they are your interior alternate angles. Now, SAS. According to SS, this triangle is congruent to this triangle. That we have noted down. If they are congruent, then what do we get? AD will be equal to BC.
DC.
Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Why? The reason to be written each time, and I told you, again I'm repeating it.
CPCT.
Never commit any mistake.
CPCT.
By CPCT. Now, what is our target? Our target is to prove AD is equal to CB. If we see the sequence, as we have used the same thing, the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. When we have proved, just consider this triangle with this triangle. What do we get? This side is equal to this side, already by given. Opposite to this side, which angle? 3? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite to CD is AB, that is also equal. We have been given with it. Hence, opposite to it is 4. I have darkened the angles to make you more clear. Yes. If they are equal, now you see, they are treated as alternate interior angles. If they are equal, this is transversal. These two are being used as parallel lines. They are behaving as parallel lines.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
only they will be equal and interior alternate. So I have noted down. This is equation 1 by CPCT. AD is equal to BC. Even after proving AD equal to BC, our theorem is not proved. They are to be parallel. To prove it parallel, you have to note down angle 3 equal to angle 4. Why? By CPCT. If they are equal by CPCT, what way it is helping us? It is given to us that they are interior alternate angles. If they are interior alternate angles, what are the parallel lines? Parallel lines are AD parallel to BC. Now,
BC.
if you match this equation with this equation and put together, AD is equal to BC and AD is parallel to BC. The other pair is already given to you, they are equal and parallel. Now you have proved the other pair equal as well as parallel. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram. You can conclude this way. Is it clear or some more doubts at any point for anybody? Do not feel that this child is not asking, that child is not asking. Why will I ask? Never feel that. Anything to be cleared anymore? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your doubt if you have?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubt?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You
No,
all
ma'am.
are with the maths book?
No, ma'am.
You do not have your maths book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Open.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Open, madam. Exercise 8.1.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Ma'am, which exercise?
8.1, after theorem 8.8, you have exercise 8.1. There are 12 questions. At the beginning, some easy questions are there. So we will be completing 7 questions from NCERT book now and at least 12 to 15 questions from your reference book. Tomorrow again we will discuss about 8 to 12. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
do the 7? Because proofs you cannot move very fast. Proofs need little time. Step by step you have to write correctly all the points. Otherwise, if it is a solution of any question, then it will be a little fast. Okay. Now, the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3:5:9:13. Find all the angles of the quadrilateral. Who will help me? You feel that I do not know, you are going to help me. What way will you help me? First,
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I say?
any one of you.
Ma'am, I will.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
3x
Ma'am.
plus 5x.
Ma'am, 3x plus 5x plus 9x plus 13x is equal to 360 degrees.
Very good, very good. Total, the angle sum property of the quadrilateral to be used here. And then you find out each angle, right? Then if the diagonals
Yes,
of a parallelogram are equal, then so it is a rectangle.
Yes, ma'am.
You need hint or you will try?
We will try.
Good symptom that you are willing to try. Still, if you cannot do, you can ask me tomorrow in our class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, coming to number 3. So that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. The same way again. You have to write down the statement. You have to write down Draw the figure after writing this question. Draw the figure. What is given from the statement, note down. What to prove, write down. Start. If some construction required, write construction step and then proceed. For each question, for each proof, you have to follow these 5 steps. If you are missing, then you will be losing marks. Show that the diagonal of a number 4. Show that the diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. I'm just reading out. If you need help for any question, just tell me so that I will help you. Number 5. Show that if the diagonals of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angles, then it is a square. Converse of each other, number 4 and 5. Number 6. Diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisects angle A. Means it is given to you. What you have to prove? It bisects angle C also. Opposite angles are equal. If one angle is bisected, the other angle is also bisected. Easy?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have to prove it is a rhombus. Next part, will I help you or you will try? Otherwise, you will ask me.
Ma'am,
We will try.
Ma'am, we will try.
Ma'am, we will try.
Okay. ABCD is a rhombus. Show that it's already given to you. Is a rhombus means it's given to you. Show that you have to prove this. Diagonal AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. And diagonal BD bisects B as well as angle D. That means both the diagonals bisect the angles are given to you. Any help you need here?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Please do
Ma'am.
not remain happy only with these 7 questions of NCERT book. You will first, with the proper date, answer the 7 questions with today's date. Then in your personal copy, home copy, as I instructed you earlier at the beginning of the session, you will be answering from the reference book. Of course, the doubts you can ask, any doubt related to this chapter, I will clear it. But when you are solving, the answers to be done in your personal copy, okay? Now I will be calling out those names marked absent. After that, I will listen to you if you want any more.
Will we send the answers to you?
I couldn't listen you. Who is asking what? Please type if you want. I couldn't hear you, Chalan.
Ma'am, should we have to send the answers to you?
Which answers? No.
Ma'am, exercise 8.1.
No. It will be there in the copy
Okay,
only.
ma'am.
If the time permits at the after the opening, I can check it. Only the doubts, if you cannot answer, you do ask me, I'll clear it. If you are not able to solve, you ask me, I will answer it, and then the photocopy I can send through WhatsApp also. That also I can help you. At the beginning, I could see 82, maybe network problem, I don't know, but right now 77 are there. If you on and then you move out after giving attendance, it is your loss. Now, Aditi Nayak, are you there? Bhavna Jana?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavna Jana there, okay. Sritika Mishra?
Yes, ma'am, present.
Swarupa Mishra?
Present, ma'am.
Adarsh Ansuman?
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit Mante? Abhijit Mante, are you there? No. J. Arpit Das not there? Om Prakash Patra not there?
Ma'am, I'm present.
Oh, Om Prakash Patra?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pratik Ranvira? No. Sai Kamal? No. Priyanka Nayak B. Section B. Priyanka Nayak A. Can I see your face on your video? Priyanka Nayak A. Let me see your face. Are you there, Priyanka Nayak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. That means the other Priyanka is absent yesterday also, today also. Then Chinmay Mahapatra. Chinmay Mahapatra there? No. Dhananjay Nayak. Lavan Patnaik. Satvik Swe. Satyajit Manta. No. Yes. Tell me now what you want. Anything extra if you want. Otherwise, we'll wind up our class.
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. It's Aditi Nayak. I'm present from section A, roll number 2.
Who?
Ma'am, Aditi Nayak, section A, roll.
Aditi Nayak, can I see your face?
Sure.
Aditi Nayak, can I see your face? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Who else? Somebody else? Sai Kamal was saying something. Sai Kamal, are you there? No. Sai Kamal not there. So today, any more doubt about our class, what we had?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anything to share with me? Are you going to solve at least 15 more questions or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if you face difficulty, be free to share with me so that I can solve the question answers and give you. Even if you give
Yes,
me in the group also, I can solve and give you the answer.
Yes.
So we'll wind up today.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we
Yes,
have to write the theorems also.
Obvious. Obvious. Otherwise, you cannot follow what all steps to be done.
Okay, ma'am.
It's there in the site. If you want anything to refer, you can go through it. And I
No,
must
ma'am.
say,
Okay.
Sai Kamal, you are absent or present? You are typing, but I can't see your face. On your video, let me see. Okay. Yesterday you were present, Sai Kamal. Were you present yesterday, Sai Kamal? Okay. Okay, Chalan, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.